Hello programmers. Today we are going to learn bubble sort, which is a sorting algorithm inspired by bubbles in a water. So as we know that the larger bubble in a water come on the surface first, then a smaller one. Okay. So we can assume that each element in the array is a bubble. So the larger bubble, which is the largest element in the array, go to the end. And similarly, the second largest and third largest go to the end of the array. Okay. So at the end of the operations, our array become sorted. Now let's try run the bubble sort algorithm. We have to check, is 5 greater than 3? Yes, 5 is greater than 3. Now let's swap it. In the second iteration, we have to check, is 5 greater than 1? Yes, 5 is greater than 1. Now we have to check, is 5 greater than 2? Yes, 5 is greater than 2. Let's swap it. Now check, is 5 greater than 4? Yes, 5 is greater than 4. Let's check it. Now as you can see, our array become sorted from this point. Now the right part of our array becomes sorted. Now let's run again. The second iteration, is 3 greater than 1? Yes, 3 is greater than 1. Swap it. Is 3 greater than 2? Yes, 3 is greater than 2. Just swap it. Now check, is 3 greater than 4? No. Now in the second iteration, our array become sorted from the right side. In the third iteration, we have to check, is 1 greater than 2? No. Is 2 greater than 3? No. Okay. Now in the last iteration, we have to check, is 1 greater than 2? No. As you can see, our array becomes sorted. Okay. Now let's come on the code. This is the bubble sort algorithm function where we are going from 0 to n minus 1. Basically, in each iteration, we have to compare two elements, j and j plus 1. So our loop should run from 0 to n minus 1, not to the n. Okay. In the second inner loop, we are going from 0 to n minus I minus 1, because we know in each iteration of I, our right part of the array becomes sorted. Okay, that's why we are going from 0 to n minus 1. And just check it. Is array of j is greater than array of j plus 1? If yes, then swap it. That's a simple. Let's run the code. So the array was 5, 3, 1, 2, 4, and it become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's talk about time complexity. So the time complexity of bubble sort is n square. Why? Because we are running a loop, outer loop from 0 to n minus 1, which is n times. Okay. And in each iteration of I, we are running a loop from 0 to n minus I minus 1, which basically become n. Now, the time complexity will become n multiplied by n, which is n square. So this was the explanation of bubble sort. If it was helpful for you, then like it and let me in comments what you want next. Thank you for watching.